Hello everyone. So your favorite cards are back, the Kali Oracle, and I hope you all are enjoying the readings, resonating with the readings. Do leave your comments and do let me know how you feel the readings are. Like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon. Also, I keep reminding you all once a week, if you're not a part of the WhatsApp group where I post my daily readings, I have started giving some different types of tips also of late, and people are actually really enjoying doing those small activities. And all my workshops, my products, everything keep getting updated there. So if you want to be a part of it, you can WhatsApp to 63806 77131. Give them your name and the city and they shall add you. So now let's see what our Kali Mata is going to tell us today. Kali Kalmasa Nashini. Alright, that's one card. Let us see what is the second card that is coming up, and accordingly I shall do the reading for both together. Vavatarani. Beautiful cards, I should say. Beautiful combination also. But let's see what the cards are saying. Did you know the first card, Kali Kalmasanashini, is the destroyer of sins. She removes evils, she removes ill intents. When this comes, you just need to know that anyone having anything negative against you, that will get destroyed, and she has her support for you. You don't have to worry about anything. She is there holding you, taking care of you. So somewhere Kali Mata is saying you don't have to worry. When I am there, I shall do whatever is needed. Also, it can also be that you need to give up on your past. Don't hook yourself on the past. Don't just keep thinking of what has happened. I think we just need to start living in our presence today. Just pray to her. I am bringing a close up on her. Just pray to her and tell her that you destroy all the unwanted thoughts and energies from me and keep me protected. I am ready to come under your guidance, under your blessings, and I'm sure she's going to help you, and she's going to make you come out of all the past thoughts that are troubling you, that are actually making you feel low from time to time. Now coming to the next beautiful and an amazing oracle card, the Bhavatarani. If you look at her, it's just bliss when you see her, but she is also a goddess of releasing karmas, karmic release. She works with karmic releases and she blesses us spiritually. She is, if you see, there are flowers, because she loves flowers, and she also loves being adorned with flowers, and she teaches a lot of things, how to be positive. She is a person who will give us results for whatever we do. If we do good, then she's going to give us good. If we do bad, then we get stuck in our own karmas and we will not be able to come out of it. Here I will just say, be open to self-realization, be open to her blessings. Just tell her, oh my beloved Bhavatarani, oh my dear Bhavatarani, I am ready to release my karmas. I am ready to absorb the peace and love within. I trust you, and I know you will hold my hand and you will help me in coming out of this. Today the color is red. Wear the color red. And today, if possible, 1 or 8 times just say Jai Ma Kali by burning a ghee lamp in your puja room and chanting this, and I'm sure Ma Kali is going to give you beautiful blessings. Thank you.